Dispatching can be one of the most stressful jobs in a service business. If you're still relying on whiteboards and email calendars to manage your team, you're likely losing the battle against travel time, double bookings, and idle field hours. You need a real-time view of your technicians and their workloads to keep your team efficient and customers happy. With Fieldpoint, you get a modern scheduling board designed to give your dispatchers total control. This is the scheduling system you'll never outgrow because it's a fully integrated, drag-and-drop platform that you can start building a truly optimized operation on and puts the right technician at the right job every time. Fieldpoint gives your dispatchers a complete, high-level view of your entire service operation in one unified scheduling board. Whether they're scheduled for break-fix repairs, contracted maintenance appointments, or working on an installation project, you see exactly what they are assigned to each day. It's a central home for your team's time, making it easy to spot gaps in the schedule and keep operations moving. Finding the right person for a specific job shouldn't be a guessing game. Fieldpoint allows you to filter your technician pool based on exact criteria you need for the job, such as specialized skill sets, certifications, or location to the job. Quickly identify the technician who is best qualified and closest to the work, ensuring every job is handled by an expert while minimizing travel time. Building schedules is as simple as dragging and dropping. See all your unscheduled appointments in one sidebar and quickly drop them right onto the technician's schedule. You can also easily move existing appointments to better optimize your team's day. By shifting jobs as priorities change or as new calls come in, you're minimizing downtime and ensuring your technicians spend more time working and less time driving. By managing your entire scheduling and dispatching process in one system, you're building a more efficient, high-capacity service operation. Gain total visibility into every technician and appointment in a modern software built for your growth. Ready to see what a modern, high-growth scheduling system looks like for your team? Let's get started.